Hello everyone, I am Dr. Jitendra Rai, Faculty of MC Department from Technia Institute of Advanced Study. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic Introduction to MIS. Management Information System is a computer-based system that helps manager to manage and organize the organizations easily in which it processes information through computers. In order to be successful in your organization, MIS is a big help for better planning and decisions. Purpose and objective of MIS. The goal of an MIS are to implement the organizational structure and dynamic of the enterprise for the purpose of managing the organization in a better way and capturing the potential of the information system for competitive advantages. Following are the basic objective of an MIS. Number one is capturing data. Capturing contextual data or operational information that will contribute in decision making from various internal and external sources of organization. Point number 2, processing data. The captured data is processed into information needed for planning, organizing, coordinating, directing and controlling functionalities at strategic, tactical and operational level. Processing data means making calculation with the data, sorting data, classifying data and summarizing the data. Then information storage. Information or processed data need to be stored for future use. Information storage retrieval. The system should be able to retrieve this information from the storage as and when required by the various users. Information propagations. Information or the finished product of the MIS should be circulated to its users periodically using the organizational network. So I hope you understand the topic Introduction to MIS. Thank you very much.